All right, guys. JunkGuysdfw.net. JunkGuysdfw.net in Frisco, Texas. We're moving the fridge. And I'm delivering a mini dumpster today. So here we go. First job. Actually, second job. The first job was an eviction. Total shit show. Here we go. How's it going? Where's it at?
Okay, so I've got a question here. And then the other stuff I wanted to ask you to go over. This is like the how much would be gonna move the other stuff. This is right here behind you.
Oh. Did it come through this door?
That was 10 years ago, sir. I don't know. I have no idea. We moved it when we moved the house. It still works. It's just,
Does it like that?
yeah.
It still works?
We use it, except we're gonna have two at the other house. We just don't need it.
Did you want to take it? Yo, man, it didn't come through this door.
No, it didn't.
So there's this door.
No, I ain't gonna fit through there, right?
The front door's bigger.
Yeah.
Maddie.
They brought it to the front door.
Okay, that's
Can they come through here?
Here, it's got wheels on it. Let's get it on here. Let's see if we can get it outside.
on?
Is it on something? No, wait, than that. Here. What is this shit?
It's unplugged.
Pull it up.
I tried to donate it.
Well, it'll make it through this door. But it ain't gonna make it through this one.
Yeah.
No way, man.
How big is the front door?
It will go through the front door. Usually the front door is bigger. It has potential.
Yeah. How about the back?
Level it. Hold on. Let's do this really quick and easy, okay? I'm gonna stress out for a second. Yeah, there is, but it's really small. Lean it your way.
I can't, I need some help.
Ready?
Hold on. I'm stuck. You gotta keep. Okay. Alright, you ready? 1, 2.
That's it?
Yeah. Oh, you will work?
Yeah. Alright, bring it down, bring it down.
We on?
Yeah.
Man, their handles too. I don't think they put the doors on it when they brought it in. Did they? Break them, but
Bring it back out.
yeah. Bring it my way.
Yeah. The doors won't work when they brought it in.
How that work?
No, man, hey. You won't go that way, huh? That way?
No chance.
Ma'am, are you gonna come back in?
Yeah, I'll stay inside. I thought I left myself in the
Come on.
Like this?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna go. I still gotta get mine.
I know. You're gonna bring the swing this door, and then we're gonna swing the next one.
I gotta open it. My door's open. Holy damn, it's not going over the lip. It's too much on your side. Push back my way. It's not on the 4-way, bro.
How did your door open all the way like this?
Yeah, it opens all the way back.
Like that?
Kind of. I'll be able, if you get your side in and you hug the wall, I'll be able to get my door in.
Take it off the 4-way. Slide it out.
Oh, I can bend this. Okay, go. Want me to toss the 4-way over?
Nope. No, we gotta get it like this. Come on, push more. Do that what you just did.
You going?
No.
4-way?
Yeah.
Here.
Shit show. There's a killer dog, man.
Yeah, pull back around. Push it anymore. It's as good as it's gonna get.
Hold on. What's up, man? Come on. See, you don't know how to put the dolly. That's the thing that counts. Look.
Want me to put it tighter?
Nope. Put it just like you did, but stab it in there like this. Let me see.
Like at an angle?
Like up.
Come on, drop down. They're moving, dude. Okay, ready?
Ready? Let me stick it.
It's stuck.
Get over there. Lean it down. All the way. Further. Further. All right, now. Hold on. Hold on to it, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on. Bring it down. Yeah, there it is. All right, let's go. Go.
Alright, stop. Hold on. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. And get the one on the welcome sign. Let's take it off the four-way, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Just take it off the four-way. Lean it back.
At least get it lined up.
Drag it out.
I got nothing to hold on to. Like at all. You over here?
All right, hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, pull. Pull, pull. Okay. Damn it. Oh, so frustrating. Push it back. Right there. There we go. Home off. Fucking shit.
How about you just lift it and we stand it up? Come on. Just stand it up. Roll it out. Good?
Yeah. It got caught on the door. I can't believe that, man. Push it out. All that crap fell out of the damn fridge. Whatever's in the fridge, man. What's in the fridge? That's perfect. Fucking perfect. Here. We're flipping it again. Flip it again. Drag it out. Open the doors, try to straighten that shit out.
You said what? You gonna lunge it?
I'm gonna go swing across the front yard. What else you have, ma'am?
This is 25 for the fridge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then I have that Asian cabinet, bookshelf, and a massage chair.
This?
How much more, yeah, would that be?
Okay, and then where's the massage chair?
Upstairs in the main room. It works too, but the stuff is coming off of it.
Massage chair.
This is not a massage chair. This is one.
That's awesome.
What else, ma'am? This, that thing,
Where's the bookshelf?
It's in the garage.
that one, that broken one. Like 150 for everything.
It's a load, right?
150 is a third of my trailer. Yeah. It's like the back end of a pickup truck.
I was gonna donate the extra one trailer.
Well, that's the whole thing about it, carrying it down the stairs. Trust me, if it was in the garage, honey, I wouldn't even charge you that much. I'd charge like $75 for the whole thing.
Alright, we'll just take that and then I'll put it in the shelf later. Go downstairs.
Come on. It's light. Grab that time.
Why are they up here? This stuff's not
You got a good grip?
Yeah.
You got a good grip?
Not really, but
Give me that. Be sure you got a good grip. Okay, let's go. Watch out with the walls.
just hold it down. I won't hit it either side.
I got it. It just won't shimmy, will it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it, brother. Let's get it out the front door. Let's do that.
Missed that. Keep a fucking dolly in the truck.
We wouldn't need a dolly for this anyway.
This fucking thing?
Which one?
Fridge, man.
The fridge?
Anytime I go to the fridge,
Ma'am? Ma'am, you need to get a bag to pick up that trash out in the front yard. Your fridge had stuff on top or inside and it fell out. It's right here, honey. Like barbecue. Packets of barbecue. Right here, Mag.
oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Well, we place it on the backside?
No, let's go.
No?
It's really light. I like that line.
Ankle biter.
Is it? Said something else.
You said you got something in the garage?
Yeah, there's shelves. It's on the interior wall. It's the one that's cut in half.
I think it's right by our house.
The lamp too, ma'am? Oh, okay. About to break that thing. Right here, man.
What about this little sign?
It's gonna fall apart. Set it up here. Have to get up there in a minute when I get the fridge up there. Yeah. See what else you wanted. What do you think I should charge you more for that thing up there? Like what?
That fits fine. Oh, for the thing?
Yeah.
See what I got too?
Yeah.
Yeah, my fridge is fucked.
No, that thing upstairs. 175 or 200?
Right there.
Yeah. Ma'am? Oh, I was gonna see if you wanted to deal. I was gonna deal with you for that thing over there.
Do you want to hit the shelves?
No, I don't want to take it, but I'll charge you 175 for it.
It's okay.
For everything. $25 to bring that thing downstairs? It's a good deal. I'm just trying to give you a deal. Here's your chair. Come on, Manny.
The shelf is to the side. Stay downstairs so they can go downstairs. Out of the way. Go to mommy's room, we're going to the computer.
I'll break it down. We're gonna break it down.
Oh, this thing's gonna break like a dime.
Yeah. Get that stuff out of the way.
Motherfucker.
I'm so sorry. Oh, we're not bringing it down like that. All I need is one end out.
How about the top? Knock the top off?
Yeah. Oh, that's good. There you go. I got it.
Do you have room for this if I carry it down there or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Move some.
Let's get in there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get it. We ain't got in too deep. We got in too deep. Let me get the
You
other.
gotta get another piece and start doing this side. Make it a T and it'll be so super uneven on the top. And we'll just bend it. We can get this out right, right?
Yeah. It's not us. Oh my gosh, I'm hitting everything.
Everything?
No, there's those little shelves.
Oh, the planks?
Yeah. Any more? 4. 4 more? Ma'am, you need to sweep up here. Okay? You need to sweep before your son goes up there. Let's pull it out. Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah. Thank you, man. We're gonna pull around front, okay? Done. It was supposed to be a $45 refrigerator. It came out to be 200 bucks. I told her 175. She gave me a $200 check. Awesome. Oh, that was tiring.